the way to deal with these concerns, for me, is very simple. It's very simple and has one name: transparency. The issue at hand is very well known. We all know what is there. We all know the amount of the water. What we need to do is to make sure that when this starts to be released, there will be no harm to the environment, no harm whatsoever. The work of the agency in cooperation with Japan will take place and will be organized before, during, and after the controlled release of treated water into the ocean. So the work will start now, and we will have to make sure that every step of the way we observe this cooperation, that this cooperation is unhindered, that we have access to everything we need to have access,